Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the World War Legion game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and once you are taken into the store page, click on the search box and now type in World War Legion to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Library button to add this game to your collection. After this, you can click on the Play Game or the Play Now option to begin the installation. Now just choose your install directory and click on the Install button. This will then begin the download and installation of the game. Just wait until the process is completed, and once the installation is done, you can start enjoying this game on your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the World War Legion game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.